What a beautiful road. Look how high it is. Far away from Toronto. Small houses. It's not that small. It's big enough. Bungalow neighborhood. Beautiful stone house. This is their downtown. Public library. I'll show you a small house, bungalow of this city. Something nice to see here is a big rock. Most of the houses are bungalow. Most of the houses are bungalow, small houses. Now I'll show you a small tree. It's a maple tree. You see, most of these houses in this neighborhood, it's bungalow. But you notice all of the houses got a big tree. Now I am going inside of a small house in a small city. Use backyard door, and this is the garage. I will open the. This is my garage opener. I will open the garage. Press here to open. You see the garage is opening. I will take my car inside. I'll go inside this house. Outside. It's a big tree here. Fire hydrant. Main door. As soon as you open the door, you will see this dining room and kitchen. A small tiny kitchen. But very organized. You can see backyard through the window. Dishwasher. This is the washroom. The big window. This is one of the bedroom. So from main entrance, two doors. One door is here. It goes to the garage. This is the garage. And this other hallway, it goes all the way to the living room. This is the living room. This stair goes to basement where the swamp pump is. This is the heater. It's gas though. And this is electrical heater. is back up. Big window. From window, it's a big door. And outside, big private backyard. This is window. It goes to the basement. And this another window. It goes to the basement. I mean, window for the basement. You can see from here. There's another window. Huge tree. There's other side of the fence. That's the fence. What a surprise! This is the nest here on the meter gauge. Electric meter. Okay, let me check. What is inside the... Wow! Over here you can see, I think. Wow, that's a beautiful nest over here. So this is the living room. From the living room, this is the stairs. Goes down all the way to basement. This is the hallway. Here is one bedroom. Wardrobe. I showed you the window. This is the window. Remember, I showed from outside. That's the basement bedroom window. Another bedroom in basement. Another window. This is baseboard heater. This is electrical. Hey, we came down. We walked down basement, and this is door. This is the stairs. We came down from the upstairs. This is the best place to be your sump pump. This is your sump pump. It takes all the water from outside basement. It doesn't harm your wall. It comes all the way here and it pumps out with this pipe. That is called sump pump. Show you what is inside this. Remove this lid. Now you can see water coming. This water coming from the outside backyard or front yard, or surrounding the wall. From the wall it comes from the pipe, it goes here. This is the sump pump. As soon it gonna touch here, it will turn on and water gonna drain out. This is turned on now. You can see the sump pump is on. It's pumping. You see, it took the water up, it's drained the water, and now that thing went down. It is floating on the water. This is another washroom here, laundry room. That's the window. And this is furnish. This furnish heat the whole house. These are the ducts. It comes from here, it goes here, it comes from here. At the same time it goes upstairs. This is the machine. This is the furnace filter. You have to change time to time. This is the furnace filter. This is the heat on to the ground floor, and this is the return. Air comes from here goes here and recycle here, goes to upstairs and basement. And this is the breeding hut. It goes all the way to the roof. This is called recreational room. Recreation room. Vent is right here, you can see. It's about the small house. Water boiler to boil the water is gas boiler. Water softener. This area water is full of mineral. To make it soft, get rid of those minerals, you need water softener. These are the salt. This is the electric panel. Where it is, what is this, where it goes, the line, you can see. Light, basement, panel, dryer. This is another door. It goes to the garage. This goes to the garage. Outside, backyard. This is side door. That's the dog house. Chimney, furnace. That's the chimney for that.